How to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in order to increase Chrome speed. And if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to open your Google Chrome. Then click on those three dots on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then go to settings. Click on settings. Then it will land here. So on your left, you are going to see options here. So you need to click on privacy and security. Then it will land here. So you are going to scroll down. Then click on security. So once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to see select DNS provider. Ensure that you have selected use secure DNS. Ensure that this button is turned on. So once the button is turned on, you will see select DNS provider. So you need to click on this drop down arrow. Then you can use Google public DNS or Cloudflare in order to boost your download speed. So for this case, I'm going to choose Cloudflare. So once you're done with that, you will come again on your left on these options. Then click on system. Then it will bring you here. So as you can see, continue running background app when Google Chrome is closed. So even when Google Chrome is closed, we see that it continues running background apps. So you need to disable this feature. So just click on it to disable it. Then once you're done with that, we'll come to extensions on your left. Then you can identify the extension that you do not use or you do not identify and remove from your Google. So for example, I'm going to use this video downloader helper. I'm going to remove it because I often do not use it. So you just click on remove if you want to remove it, or you can disable it if you want to disable it. And that's simply it, guys. That's how you can easily fix Google Chrome slow downloading. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.